ever wondered what it would be like if the whole world switches off lights for 1 hour? That's exactly what Earth Hour is. It's a global movement where millions of people turn off their lights to show how much they care about our planet. But it's not just about darkness. It's also about awareness and balance. Hi, my name is Aayush, and today I'm going to share why this matters to me so much. Our Earth is losing its balance because of energy waste, pollution, and global warming. But Earth Hour has told us that even small actions can help make a big difference. So, how can we contribute? Save electricity, reduce waste, recycle, and spread awareness. I am proud to share that this Earth Hour I have contributed by depositing 750 kgs of paper through EEG's Paper Walk initiative. This not only helps save trees but also restores balance to our environment. Because Earth Hour is not just 1 hour, it's about making the right choices every single day. So remember, in every small action, we are helping to restore a little balance to our Earth. Thank you.